Welcome to our comparison of two popular countertop ice makers, the EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker and the Igloo Self-Cleaning Countertop Ice Maker. In this video, we will explore their features, performance, and design to help you decide which one is the best fit for your home or outdoor activities. Let's dive in. The EUHOMY Countertop Ice Maker stands out with its impressive speed, producing 9 bullet-shaped ice cubes in just 6 minutes. On the other hand, the Igloo model takes a bit longer, yielding 8 cylinder-shaped cubes every 7 to 8 minutes. If quick access to ice is your priority, the EUHOMY might be the better choice. In terms of design, the EUHOMY features a wider footprint at 11.54 inches, but it includes an integrated handle for easy transport, making it ideal for RVs and camping. Conversely, the Igloo model is narrower at just 7.3 inches, making it perfect for tight spaces like dorm rooms or small kitchens. Both designs cater to different needs, depending on your available space. When it comes to material quality, the EUHOMY Ice Maker boasts a durable stainless steel exterior, giving it a premium feel. In contrast, the Igloo model is made of plastic, which may feel less robust. While both machines perform well, the choice of material could influence your long-term satisfaction with the product. In conclusion, both the EUHOMY and Igloo countertop ice makers offer excellent features for anyone in need of quick and convenient ice production. The EUHOMY excels in speed and material quality, while the Igloo shines in its compact design. Consider your specific needs and preferences when making your choice. If you found this comparison helpful, please like, share, and subscribe for more product reviews.